data types in Python, right? Data types. Two types. Data types are mainly of two types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data types, object holding single value. Object holding single value. One object getting created with value 10, 103070. The address is given to X. Okay, the address is given to X, right? Okay. Object, this object is holding single value. Object to holding single value, right? Collection data type, nothing but object holding, that is nothing but collection of values or group of values. Object holding group of values or collection of values. Group of values or collection of values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One object is going to get created. An object is going to get created. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is going to have some address, right? 104090. This address is given to X. Object holding group of values. Object holding single value, object holding group of values, right? Is mainly right. Okay. Okay, observe this. Object holding group of values, object holding single value. Okay. So here fundamental data types, right? Okay. Five types. Integer, float, Boolean, string, complex. You have got five types of fundamental. Okay, integer means, for example, something age 24, right? Something in decimal parts, right? For example, weight 69.46, right? Boolean, true or false, something in zeros and ones, true or false, right? String, sequence collection of characters. Collection of characters, right? City equal to Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad. Complex, x plus iy, x plus iy, right? Yes. Collection data types. Collection data types. Observe this. Collection data types. Four types of collections. See, Python providing simple syntaxes. Observe here for this list, four types of collections: tuple, set, a dictionary, right? List represented using squared braces, tuple using normal braces, set by using curly braces, dictionary by using key and value format, right? Key and value format. Yeah. List x equal to list of values, x equal to list of values, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, list of values. Tuple of values, just y equal to tuple, this bracket is going to change, right? Z. Set of values, curly braces, 10, 20, 30, 40. By seeing the braces, we need to understand it. Okay, dictionary, w equal to name Ajay, age 25. This is key, this is value, this is key, and this is value, right? Key value notations. Collection of key value notations, nothing but dictionary. List, tuple, set, dictionary, right? Yes. Okay. Now observe this. Let us discuss about fundamental data types. Lot of discussion on strings, string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters. Okay. Float and Boolean type. Float and Boolean type means observe. Whenever we install Python, just go to this where Python is installed. Just check this, right? See Python P 3.10, right? 3.10, and here ideally Python 3.10. Okay, observe this. Float data type, right? Float data type. Okay. X equal to 34.5. Print x. Print x means 34.5. Type, data type of x, type, what type it is, what value you are assigning to it, right? Print type of x. Type of x is float type. As you are assigning float value to x, it will be float type, right? Yes. Address of X means where exactly it is stored. ID of X, where exactly it is stored, right? Save it. Mhm. Float.py, yes. Float.py, yes. Understand. Now run module, right? Yes. Float value, class float type. This is the address, right? Print X means float. Type of X means what type your float type. ID of X, the address where exactly it is stored, right? Yes. Boolean data type. Next is what? Boolean data type, right? It takes either true or false. It takes either true or false, right? It takes either true or false. X equal to true. X equal to true. What you are trying to assign to X? If you are assigning 10, so it is a integer variable getting created. If I'm assigning 4.5, a float variable getting created. So in Python, we no need to provide that data type, right? What value you are assigning to X, based on the value assigned, the variable gets created dynamically during runtime. That's why we call dynamic data types. Python supports dynamic data types. Here, what value am I assigning to this? What value am I assigning, right? A Boolean value. So print X, it prints true. ID of X. Yes. X equal to true, print X, type of X will be Boolean type, address of X, where exactly it is stored, right? Yes. Okay. Save it. Bool.py, right? Boolean.py. Run module. Print X, it prints that value true. Type of X is Boolean type. The address where exactly it is stored, right? So Boolean. Now more discussion on string, right? String data type. File, new file. String. A string is a A string is a sequence collection of characters, right? A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented in Python. A string is represented using first using single quote, using double quote, triple quote. Single quote, double quote, and triple quote, right? In Python, string is represented using single, double, and triple quote. Right? For a single line of strings, go for single quote and double quote. For multiple lines of string, go for triple quote. Single quote for single line on double quote. Each character of a string, each character of a string is represented. Each is represented or accessed is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes, right? Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Positive index or forward index, right? Positive index. Starts from left to right. Starts with 0, right? Starts from left to right, starts with 0, starts from right to left, starts with -1. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right, starts with 0. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left, starts with -1. Okay, just observe this diagram once, right, to understand this indexing, right? String as supporting two types of indexing, positive or forward, backward or negative, right? Yes. X equal to Python. Just I'm defining a string X equal to Python. Internally, one object gets created. An object gets created, and here you can observe Python, right? Python, right? Python. Some address. This address is given to X. X equal to Python. This address is given to X, right? So indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call it as a forward index or positive index, right? Forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Backward index or negative index, right? This is what backward index or negative index. Forward index are positive, backward index are negative. Now try to say what is the value of x of 2. Everyone try to answer. X of 2 is, what is the value of x of 2?
T.
X of 2 value is what? T. X of -2. Try to answer what is x of -2 value.
Wo.
4, right? Yes.
Uh,
X of -2 is go, x of 2 is t. So in this way you can use positive index, backward index. You may ask your query, right? Already we have got positive index, by again backward index or negative index. For example, if you have got a very big string of 70 or 75 characters, I want to print the last character using positive index. Can you do? Using positive index, printing the last character using positive. So it is a time taking process. Just if you say minus x of -1 returns the last character, right? Yes, returns the last character. Okay. Next, observe this. Coming back to this. Please be in mute. So I'm keeping this in comment. Multi-line comments in Python. Single line comments start with hash. Multi-line comments start with triple quote, end with triple quote, right? Yes. So x equal to Python, x equal to Python, 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 right? Print x. Okay, that's fine. X equal to Python print X. Okay, that's fine. Uh, type of X. Type of X is what? String type. ID of X, the address of X. Print X, type of X, ID of X. Print X means okay, Python. Type of X means string type. Address of X means the address where exactly it is stored, right? Yes. Okay, now observe len of X. Len of X means number of characters within the string. Len of X is what? 6, right? 6. Len of X is 6. Print X, type of X is string type. Address of X, length of X is 6. Fine. X of 2. What is the value of X of 2? 0, 1, 2. T, right? Print X of minus 2. It returns X of minus 3. What is the value of X of minus 3? H, right? Yes. Save it. str1 str1 dot py. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. Means X plus Y means we call it as like concatenation. Concatenation. Adding the two strings. Concatenation means adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Okay. Now just observe these things, right? Yes. Control S, file, a new file. Yes. Read me, right? String slicing. String slicing, right? Yes. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python. X equal to Python, right? Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Yes. Extract only Python from this. Everyone try to answer. Now, I want the sessions to be interactive. So try to respond whether your answers are correct or not. So please give the responses. Python, right? I want Python to print X of. Try to answer what is the X of.
0 to 6.
0 to 5.
Okay. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We need to give 0 to 6. 0 to 6 we need to give, right? Yes. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always, this we call it as lower bound, this we call it as upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Okay. 0 to 6. Always upper bound is excluded. Up to 5 we consider Python. If you are giving 0 to 5, right? 5 gets this n, you won't get this n, right? Yes. 5 gets excluded. Up to 4 only it will consider, right? Okay. Now that's fine. Python. Extract the middle portion of the string. Now try to extract only the 4 characters P, R, O, G, right? Try to answer everyone. I want to extract only these 4 characters P, R, O, G, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start with 7, right? 7 to, yes. 7 you want, 8, 9,
7.
10. 7 to 11, right? Print x of 7 to 11. Seven to 11 means 11 excluded, up to 10 only it will consider, right? Yes. Okay. What if I say print x of 11 to 7, right? 11 to 7. 7 to 11 means P, R, O, G. 11 to 7 if I say. 11 to 7.
RGOR.
Okay. So GO, you will get empty string because always slicing in the forward direction, right? Slicing in the forward direction, right? Always slicing in the forward direction. If you're going backward, you will get empty string, right? Now extract. Now extract PROJ using negative index. Extract this using negative index. Using negative index. Try to answer. X of
-4 to
-4 to -8.
You are going in the backward direction. Again, empty string you will get.
-8 is to -4.
Minus
8 is to -4.
observe this. -1, -2,
-4 is to -8.
7. -7 to. So if you are -7, this is -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 you want, -6, -5, -4. Give it -3 here, -3. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 and -4. Say -3. So okay, this one PROG, right? It will extract what PROG. Okay, next extract. The entire word program. Extract the entire word program, right? Extract the entire word program. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means again M will be excluded, right? Print X of 7 to 14 can I give, right? 14 exclude up to 13 will consider. And print X of 7 to upper bound excluded. Okay. Run module. Seven, 8, 9, 7 to. Okay. So this is also fine. 7 to the up to the end of the string it reads, right? Starting from the 7th index to up to the end of the string it is going to read. Next. For example, is it fine if I write in this way, print X of 6. Just take from the start of the string to 6. Start of the string to 6 means 6 excluded up to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run module. Okay, next observe this. What if I give like print X of both upper bound and lower bound, both are ignored, right? It will read the entire string, right? It reads the entire string. What is that? Python program reads the entire string. Similarly, like print X of 0 to remaining, X of 0 to remaining, right? Yes. And print X. All these three results the same output. Print this and this results the same output, right? Fine. Can I use the combination of positive and negative index like this? X of -7 to 11. Is it valid? -7 means P, 11 means R. Is it valid? P R O G, you will get right? Yes. You got what? P R O G in this way. Understood, right? Slicing, everyone. Forward or backward slicing, extracting particular portion of the string. Any queries in this, anyone? Right. So we know it, right? Huge codings in Python, right? So we have got string methods available, string functions, string special characters, right? We'll see some, just I'll take 5-10 minutes more. String methods. String methods. See, we have got various methods. X equal to, for example, upper. To print in uppercase, to print in uppercase. X equal to what? Hyderabad. I want Hyderabad in uppercase, right? X dot upper, you can say, right? X dot upper, printing Hyderabad in uppercase, right? Okay. Print X dot upper. Just observe this output, str3 dot py, right? Yes. Run module. Hyderabad in lowercase, it is print 1 second. Upper, right? Upper spelling is wrong. Yes, you got 3 P's here, 2 P's, right? Run module. Hyderabad in uppercase, right? Yes. Then lower, to print in lowercase, to print in lowercase. Print in lowercase. X equal to Chennai. X equal to Chennai. Chennai in uppercase, right? Printing X dot lower. Lower means Chennai in lowercase. Printing Chennai in lowercase, right? Just observe this output. Run module. Next. Just observe this, X equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases, right? So here in this case, only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Print X dot capitalize, right? X dot capitalize. Okay. X dot capitalize means that first letter, only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases, right? Yes. Capitalize. Capitalize, right? Okay. For example, X equal to good morning, Hyderabad. How many words are there in this, right? 3 words, right? 3 words. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase are. That's it. Print X dot title. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. Good morning, Hyderabad. Right? Yes. For capitalizing the first character of each word. Good. G in uppercase, morning M in uppercase, Hyderabad H in uppercase, right? Yes. Yes. Good morning, Hyderabad. Each and every character. First, each and every character. Okay. Every word, first character in the uppercase, right? Yes. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Observe this output, right? Good morning, Hyderabad, right? Yes. Okay, one more example on this, right? For example, I got some employees, right? EMPS employees equal to Ajay, Rohit, Blake, James, Miller, Rahul, right? This one. Each and every employee name, first character should be in uppercase. Print EMPS dot title. That's it, right? EMPS dot title. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, right? Run more. Ajay in uppercase, Rohit here are in uppercase, Blake B in uppercase, J Miller M. Rohit, okay. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, right? Yes. Next, we have what swap case, right? Swap case. Converts one case to another case, right? Converts one case to another case. If it is in lower case, converts to upper. If it is in upper case, converts to lower, right? Yes. Here, for example, good morning, Hyderabad, right? Now, just say print X dot upper, X dot upper, right? Yes. It is in lower case, converts everything in the upper case, right? Run module, right? Yes. Good morning, Hyderabad. Each and every, if it is in lower, converts to into upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower, right? Yes. Next, replace. There is a method called replace, right? Yes. Replace. For replacing the portion of a string. For replacing the portion of a string. X equal to, for example, Java is, for example, just saying Java is easy. Now say print X dot replace the word Java with Python. Replace Java with Python, right? Java with Python. Okay, Python is easy, right? Replace. Okay. Run module. Replace the word Java with Python, right? Python is easy, right? Now, for example, Java is easy and Java is simple. And Java is simple. Will it replace Java is simple? Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python, or only the first occurrence of Java gets replaced? Try to answer, right? Each and every occurrence of Java gets replaced, or only this? Each and every
Everything
occurrence,
is
each and every occurrence, right? Not the first occurrence. Each and every occurrence gets replaced. Python is easy and Python is simple, right?
Hi, Sagar.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, what if you want the alternate letters in a word to be in capital?
Alternate words of the letter, it will be in capital. Okay. Print X of 0 to, okay. Slicing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whatever it is, let it be 0 to, I'm saying 20. The step of 2 with the increment of 2. This is the string. You want in capital, right? Dot every alternate letter X of 0 to 2 with this. Hmm. 0 to 20 with a step of 2 means only this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, you will get only this alternate index. It's going to get printed, right? Generally in your, okay, in our real-time use cases, either this first letter or each and every word first character will be, but we are going to write some code for it. A separate method is not available for alternate, every alternate. You are saying you want J, V, I, you want this to be in alternate words in so for that we doesn't have any separate method. We are supposed to write some code for it, alternate, but each and every word uppercase means title is available, but we doesn't have any separate word for it. We need to use some kind of loops, for loop, right? Iterating, and every alternative for even index, you just capitalize. Odd index, let it be as it is, right? You need to loop it for loop. So if index, every alternative index or even index, capitalize it and add it. App capitalize it and add it, right? It's in this way. You need to loop, apply for loop, right? Fine. Observe this. We have got one more method called strip method. Strip for removing the blank spaces. For removing the blank spaces before and after. For removing the blank space before and after the string, right? For example, x equal to, okay. Observe this. Print x comma len of x. What will be the length of x here? Length of x including the blank spaces. Print x comma len of x including the blank spaces. Len of x, length of x including the blank spaces, right? Okay. Now I want to remove this blank space before and after, because if the blank space is there, you cannot slice this. You cannot slice this. So just what you do, x dot strip, that's it. It removes the blank space before and after, right? And store the result in y. Y comma len of y. Y comma len of y. So in this way, we have got many methods available. Observe this output first. Run module. Sorry, capital Y, lower cases and upper cases are taken differently. Give it in lower case. Python is case sensitive. Lower cases and upper cases taken differently. Previously 37, including the blank space. Now nearly 15 blank spaces got removed, right? Yes. Now observe. So in this way, we have got methods like upper, lower, capitalize, title, swap case, replace, strip. We have got some more methods, many like the find method, format method, starts with, ends with, partition method, is digit, is alpha, right? We have got methods, and also we have got functions, and we have got special characters. We have got a lot more discussion on these strings, right? So we'll discuss in the tomorrow session. Next we'll have class on this tomorrow's session, right? We'll continue tomorrow. So, and as said by this online team, they already posted in this short panel, right, that the link is going to get changed from tomorrow. The link will be changing from tomorrow, right? Yes. So those who are enrolled, who are registered, you will be getting a mail. You will be getting a mail, right? The link will be forwarded to your mail. You can just forward that new link, right? So, and those who have, so one more thing, the people who are paying that fees, you are supposed to send the screenshot to DURGASOFT online training. You can check this, right? Again, it was posted by the online team. So you will be getting the link if you are posting that screenshot of your payment to this mail ID, right? So already once again, I am also forwarding the same. Otherwise, you won't get that link. Okay, all the payment details, everything is posted in this short panel. You can just copy those things, right? And also the session videos, the course content, demo videos, the any other things, right? Like videos, the previous session videos, right? Everything is given in this short panel. You can just go through that and get enrolled, so that you will be getting the notes, the complete notes, getting the notes of Python, the videos, soft copy, the everything you will be getting, right, once you get enrolled. So tomorrow we'll meet same time, 7 o'clock, to see more on this, right? Yes. So I'll stop here for today. Meet you tomorrow, right?